Welcome to Denny's Roofing, your trusted partner for storm damage roof repairs in Brighton, Colorado. Are you worried about the recent storm's impact on your roof? We've got you covered. Call us today to schedule a free inspection. At Denny's Roofing, we understand that dealing with insurance claims can be overwhelming. That's why we offer free insurance claim assistance to help you easily navigate the process. Don't let storm damage stress you out, we will handle it. Worried about the certification of your roof when buying or selling a home? We offer a free roof certification service. Our licensed general contractors and expert roofing team will provide you with a professional opinion. Count on us for quality repairs that stand the test of time. We take pride in serving the Brighton, Colorado community with excellence. Just dial 970-478-9607 for all your storm damage roof repairs. Visit our website at dennysroofingllc.com/brighton-roofing-company to learn more about our services. Denny's Roofing, your roof's best friend in Brighton, Colorado. Protect your home, trust the professionals. Contact us today for peace of mind.